Hello guys, what's up everybody? This is Yedhukrizz here. So I have tried two types of methods of making videos, but I think getting outside and doing things live is a great way. And it is Corona, so I had to put masks while I'm going outside. You should too. It's not a game. So let's get started. So most of you guys asked me about one-click photo editing on Lightroom. So first of all, we have to take a photo, right? I got an idea. This is one of the main bridges in 𝗧𝗵𝗵𝗺 because it is so old, so it is like a historical point. So I think let's capture the essence of its ruins. How about that? That would be great, right? Hi guys, so let's stay right there so that I get some good view through there, Oh shit, this is very great. Look at this. Look at this shot. You have to be like in this type of place in order to get this kind of beautiful things. Don't be in a comfort zone, okay? You don't get anything over there. You have to be uncomfortable. You have to stay on your flip-flops on this dirt to get this shot. You have to take your risk. Those who take your risk reap the rewards. There will be 100% chance there is a lot of snakes in there. So I'm basically counting on my luck. So how about this shot? How about this? Very great, right? Like this. So let's take this shot. Let's get into the real part, which means one-click photo editing using Adobe Lightroom Mobile. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to get presets, right? So I have created a free website called 𝗧𝗵𝗵𝗺 in which you can go ahead and download free presets. There will be linked to the sources. That's how it will work. And also I will update that website weekly. So find 2 presets now. Next week you will find 4. Stick to the channel so you can reap the rewards. Subscribe and turn on the notification. I should say that, right? Yeah, I should say that. You have downloaded the presets right now. So let's get into the part where you are importing the presets to Adobe Lightroom Mobile. Right now. This is my default sets of presets that I use. It's like that. I'm just selecting all of them and just importing them. Okay. What you have to do is you have to select XMP files and copy them to the specified file location. Go to Android. Go to Data. Then you have to go to com.adobe.lightroom LR mobile. Go there and go to Files, go to Carousel Documents and go to a lot of zeros and go to Profiles, go to Settings, go to User Styles and copy there. That's it. You finished importing Lightroom presets. So one important thing I have to say is if your Lightroom is running like this on the background, you have to close it before opening it. Then go ahead and open it. So the setup process is done. Now you can use it for your lifetime. That's how it works. Okay, go to presets. You can see that over user presets, it's Lucas Erickson's preset, jungle vibe, pastel blue, sunset, washed out. I like the washed out look, and also oak. I like oak. It's like the extreme teal and orange, and this is the light teal and orange. And I like also cool tones. Lucas Erickson's is the best over the bunch, and it is free. You can download through his YouTube video. So I have linked that down on our website. So go ahead and download it. It is actually changing the settings of your photo. That's why it is so realistic. You will find the difference between a Lightroom preset and a random filter from a random app. Let's apply a random preset, okay? I applied it. Do it. Then it is the seeding round. Then you can just go and do your own stuff and make it your own preset, you know, make this preset fit to this photograph and more through tweaking the seed. That's how it works, guys. So if you like this video, you have to subscribe, and that's it. I love you guys. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.